The vertices of a triangle are origin 0, 0, a, 0 and b, 0, b. Write the coordinates of its circumcenter. Also write the distance between the circumcenter and orthocenter. So clearly if we can see the vertices, it forms a right angle triangle. So origin vertex a, 0 on x-axis and vertex b on y-axis 0, b. Let us consider. So clearly it's a right angle triangle at origin. Circumcenter. Since we know that in a right angle triangle, circumcenter of a triangle, circumcenter of its or its circumcenter will be the midpoint of hypotenuse. Its circumcenter is the midpoint of hypotenuse of right triangle. So here hypotenuse is AB, so the midpoint of AB is the circumcenter. Therefore, circumcenter is equal to midpoint of AB. So A is the point A, 0 and B 0, B. Since we know the midpoint is for any 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, the midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here a, 0 and b 0, b. So we can write a plus 0 upon 2, 0 plus b upon 2. So which is a upon 2, b upon 2. This is the circumcenter. Also, in a right angle triangle, the orthocenter will be the vertex where right angle forms. So here origin is the orthocenter. Orthocenter of a right angle triangle orthocenter of right angle triangle is the vertex where right angle forms. So therefore, orthocenter of triangle OAB, which is equal to origin, we can consider, because in triangle OAB angle O is 90 degrees. So we can consider origin 0, 0 is the orthocenter. And now we need to find the distance between the circumcenter and the orthocenter of triangle OAB. Circumcenter is a by 2, b by 2 and orthocenter is 0, 0. Let us find the distance. Now the distance between circumcenter a by 2, b by 2 and orthocenter origin 0, 0 is distance formula using under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So we can write here a by 2 minus 0 whole square plus b by 2 minus 0 whole square, or we can write 0 minus a by 2 whole square plus 0 minus b by 2 whole square also we can write. So which is equal to under root of a by 2 whole square is a square upon 4 and b by 2 whole square is b square upon 4. So which is equal to a square plus b square upon 4 and the root or we can simplify and we can write root over a square plus b square upon square root of 4 is 2. So therefore the distance between circumcenter and orthocenter of triangle OAB, let me write here, of triangle OAB is root of a square plus b square upon 2. Okay, correct. Please like, share, subscribe and support us. Thank you.